जैसन थोड़ा ज़्यादा गोल गोल तो नहीं हो गया?
No, it's like swirling patterns of a sorbet.
Okay, I know it's us and you know we do all these crazy things, but चलेगा ना ये?
दौड़ेगा.
This place, I wanted this to be the ultimate of everything that we've been doing so far.
I still remember at one point where we were questioning whether we are heading in the right direction.
Yeah, no, I think at the planning stage, definitely something that I wondered. But as the visualization started coming together, I think we were confident that this is going to work.
We've always been a trailblazer in the bathroom fittings industry, the young, the edgy. So we wanted our space to sort of reflect that. We wanted our space to be that space which has not been done in our industry before, not your cookie cutter showroom.
हमने सिलेक्शंस में टीम म्यूज़ लैब से कॉन्टेक्ट किया और जब फर्स्ट हमारी मीटिंग हुई तो बस इसी चीज़ को लेके हमने सबसे बड़ा पार्ट रखा था कि हमें शोरूम बनाना है जो डिज़ाइन कभी हमने देखी नहीं हो.
I had a whole different perception of the space. I wanted to be monochromatic, and there was a point in time we actually fought, and I didn't speak to him. But I'm so glad that he came up with this wild idea of painting the ceiling a completely different color. So the structure, the air conditioning ducts, the lights, and the columns that come down were to be in this beautiful raspberry red, and I think that really changed the game of the overall design.
No, so while Josefa was probably thinking about being more pragmatic and functionality of the space, all I could think of was having some sorbet.
There you go.
Basically, the design is a bold design, something new and innovative, and that's what Aquant is. We're very innovative in our design.
जब हमने पहली बार डिज़ाइन देखा हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगा, हम बहुत इम्प्रेस्ड हुए और वही टाइम पे हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि यही हमको यूज़ करना है.
The freedom that we were given to explore and experiment within the realms of pragmatism has led to this project and the way it's turned out.
This, I feel, would be like an inflection point where it's like, we've just done something which is very different, and at the same time, this would be the starting point of something. It's like that small snowball that you start from the top of the hill and just going down. That's how we sort of see it. We just want to get bigger, bolder, and everything in that way.